Finally, the reports. From the donations menu we open reports. Everything we have recorded rolls up here. The summary gives management the whole picture: total cash donations, total goods donated, total distributed, the program expense, and the value of donated inventory still on hand, with a breakdown by donor and by beneficiary. Every report can be exported. On any tab, export gives you Excel, CSV or a PDF. We download the summary to Excel. The Receive tab lists every donation including our dollar gift, converted to Naira with the original shown beneath, filterable by date, donor, project and type. The Distributions tab lists every issue of goods, line by beneficiary and item. For a single donor, donor history shows everything they have given. We pick a donor. And beneficiary history shows everything a beneficiary has received. We pick one. The program's report summarizes what each project received against what it distributed. And the inventory report shows, for every donated item, the opening balance, what came in, what went out, and the closing balance. That is donation management, donor and beneficiary registers, cash and in-kind receipts including foreign currency, disbursement of goods at cost, and complete, exportable reporting, all posted correctly to your account and aligned with international standards.